Alright guys, so we're here at the Peppers project. They have actually started working on the grease trap. You notice they dug the trench right here already. This area is where the grease trap is gonna go. They're gonna dig all of this out. But right now they're just trying to find where the sewer line is to connect back into the sewer line. So they're actually digging that right now. What's going on? Yeah. So now they're figuring out where the lines are gonna go. But yeah, as far as the inside, they got everything. Hold on, let me turn some lights on in here, guys. It's dark. 1 second. I can't even see. Alright, so as far as the inside, it's still the same. They got the gas lines run. They got these pieces run. Right now, we can't do anything else on the inside. There's nothing else we could do on the inside at the moment. They're working on the outside. Inside is waiting on inspection before we could do anything else on the inside. So on the outside now, we're doing the grease trap. We got the permit and everything to go ahead. They came out and inspect on the outside. So we're doing the inspection on the outside. Yeah. So they're doing the grease trap on the outside. They already did the inspection and told us we could start. The city came out and inspect. So as far as inside, we're gonna pause a little bit on the inside. Once they come and inspect those plumbing you see right there, then we could start closing the ground and, you know, start doing walls and stuff like that. Hood guy could start working. So they paused on the inside and start to do on the outside. So hopefully this week they could finish digging that hole, and then we start putting that grease trap in the ground. It has to be coordinated, so he's gonna dig all of that hole, prep it, and then they're gonna come back out to inspect it. Once they inspect it, then they could put the tank in. Once they put the tank in the ground, then they'll be able to they'll come out again to inspect all the plumbing when the tank is in the ground, and then they could cover it. We're gonna cover it with cement. They're gonna re-cement the floor out there. Yeah, so that's the quick little update right there, guys. That's small update on the Peppers project. Some of these equipment right here, I'm gonna move them out, get them out the way. It's not really in the way too much, but we're gonna try and move them so that when we're putting up the walls, it's not in the way. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. I'm on it. I'm already done with the salon. Went over there, cleaned over there. It wasn't too bad. It was pretty much okay. So right now we're just doing some inspection on this and then go from here. So stay tuned. Quick update. Alright guys, so they also moving real fast with the gas lines. They had finished on the roof, but see, that's where it came down off of the roof. We had to run a gas line all the way from the other side of the building, come all the way to here. Our gas company is gonna put a meter. It's gonna be way bigger than that, but they're gonna put a meter somewhere right here. We're working with them right now to figure out the size meter, but it's gonna come right here and it's gonna be attached to this line right here. If you notice, it's a bigger line. They use a 1-inch line, inch and a half line, I think it is, compared to the small one. Once they get the meters in, they're gonna hook it up to this line right here, and then this line goes all the way up on top of the building and all the way over. In the previous videos, you'll see on the roof where I showed you what it looks like on the roof. So all that, this line right here, goes all the way across the building, all the way over to on top of the building over there, and then it goes down into our building. Let me show you real quick. So it goes all the way on top of the building. So it pretty much goes all the way on top of that building behind me right there, and then comes inside. Let me flip this around. You notice that line, that pipe right there, that black pipe, it goes there and goes up into the ceiling and goes all the way over on top of the building, all the way over to the side of the building where we were. So pretty much the gas line is ready to go. It's just the gas meter we have to get installed, which is the Atlanta Gas and Light. They're gonna pretty much do that. So stay tuned and we're gonna start that out. Yeah guys, so we're driving out from the Peppers project. This is just right up the street where the exit is gonna go. See, they're working on the exit right there. I would probably say it's gonna be open by the new year at the rate they're going, the speed that they're going. So we'll pretty much have our own exit by next year. By the time we're open, this exit should be open, and you know, of course there'll be a lot more traffic. Right now there is a lot of traffic here already, but it will be just a lot more traffic gonna be on this street. So this road right here is the road parallel to where the gas station is on. The road over there running parallel to this road, that's where the gas station is. I just came up and come over on the road, the next, you know, major road. So on this road we also have a lot of warehouses. If you look, there's warehouses right here. There's a church over on this side, but behind these, you know, trees right here, they're all, you know, warehouses, and Gwinnett County has some stuff over there. If you look on this road right here, it's all corporate offices, and not offices but warehouses, manufacturing. See, there's a shipping and warehouse. Kubota is over here, the tractor people who does the tractors and the forklift. There's just warehouses after warehouses. So we have two roads, this road and the next road over on the other side running parallel to this one. We have all corporate and warehouses, right? So you got more over here, more over there. So Mercury right there, I think that's the Mercury outboard, I believe, I'm not sure. You know, then we have a high school over here, or middle school I should say, over there. More offices, you know, all these offices has warehouses in the back. So as I said, these are gonna be our customers, you know. All these are gonna be our customers. All this is less than 5 minutes from where the Peppers is gonna be. Here's another corporate office warehouse. There's one on the left right here, and then right here there's a lot of apartments over here. So, you know, right throughout all this area right here, you have a lot of apartments, you know, within a block, or that's what they would call it in New York. But you know, it's pretty much within 5 minutes. If I take this road to the right, I could end up back over. What I did, I just drive around the whole block. So this road right here takes me back to the Peppers project. It's just a full square block. So any way when I leave out of the Peppers project, whichever way I go, it's gonna be corporate and apartments. So you know, we shouldn't have any problem with customers. We just got to let them know that we're there. As me say, good food fast, and it's just, we just have to be available all the time, you know, every day, all day, 11 to 11, you know. Hopefully we can move that time forward later to like about 2:33 in the morning. As I said, the gas station, I don't know if they started already. I'm gonna have to check with the owner, but they're planning on opening 24 hours at that location. Whenever that exit open, I'm quite sure they'll be, if they haven't already, I'm quite sure they will open 24 hours in the near future, especially when our place is open. You know what I'm saying? More traffic will be in that gas station. There's no reason for them not to open 24 hours. So with that being said, I'm going to start opening later once that happens. You know what I'm saying? So once we make our customers know that, hey, we're there late at night, because you have people, it's surprising, guys, how people eat and order food from the platforms late at night. Like literally 2 o'clock in the morning they be ordering food. The only places that open late 2 in the morning here where we are is like Waffle House and IHOP, those breakfast spots. They open 24 hours, and then you'll have like the lounges and some of the like Applebee's, and so they'll open till 2:30 in the morning. But all the other restaurants, they close by 11, 9. So you have some set close by 9, and then you have another set that close 11. Like the dining ones will close by 11. All the takeouts normally close at 9. The dining restaurants that you sit down, most of them close at 11, and then you have a few that goes till 2:30. The ones with the bars and, you know, late night, they'll go till, you know, the lounges will go till 2:30, right? Because they open late. Lounges don't open 11 in the morning, right? So for me, we want to see if we can open till 2:33 in the morning. I don't think we need to open 24 hours, but I'm thinking somewhere 2-3 in the morning, you know, to provide food for the late, you know, the late eaters, those people coming from the parties, the club goers. In this area, there's no one open that time, you know, to provide food. You got people just at home, up late at night, watching the game, watching TV. They hungry. You know what I'm saying? So that's the void may I try fill in this area. At night, when you turn Uber Eats on at night, 1 o'clock at night, there's nothing. Everything closed. So if I'm in this area and I could open that time, we should be able to, you know, make a couple sales at that time of night. As I said, the only places that open that time of night is Waffle House or IHOP, if there's one close by. There's none up this area, by the way. They're all maybe 2 exits down. And then the other places that might be open is any kind of lounge or a club or something, you know what I'm saying? But those are like lounge, like hookah lounge and stuff. So the food, they have food, so I don't know how great they are. I haven't ordered from any of them, but you know, we want to be available, like a restaurant that's available for takeout at that time of night, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's the little update we got from the Peppers project. They already started on the outside. They started on the grease trap. We've been waiting so long to get that grease trap going, guys. It's just a lot of back and forth with the county. Yeah, everything has to be approved, stamped, you know what I'm saying? The inspector just came out last Friday. No, Monday. They came out on Monday. It's now Saturday. So they came out Monday. We had to get a survey done, which was done on Thursday. So he just started digging maybe yesterday. Thursday is when we got the final sign off on it, and it's now Saturday. So he did that yesterday, pretty much. So now we broke ground on that. So hopefully between now and next week they'll have it dug out and then ready to, you know, ready for the tank to be installed. Alright? So we're on it, guys. Stay tuned. Watch what I go on. Pepper's project in the progress. So today is Saturday. I need to stop and get some gas, guys. I'm gonna do some lawn care. The leaf them drop on the lawn, so I have to go try just cut the lawn actually, and you know, suck up the leaves them. Yeah, but stay tuned. We're up on it. It's kind of overcast today, so I'm gonna try and get that done right now. It's fall time, guys. Fall time, so all the trees, the leaves are falling off the trees. Yeah. Give me a second, guys. May I answer the phone? Give me a second. Alright, guys. So we stop and got some gas. We go put it in the lawnmower. The lawnmower did empty. I go put some gas in the lawnmower and get. See all them leaves on the grass. Tree them fall time now, so hope leaves on the grass. See, get rid of that. So yeah, fill up the lawnmower and get cutting. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so over there now I done cut the lawn and I head down a Walmart real quick. I cook some rice, but some out rice. I'm start make some rice and peas, but I don't want the rice. So I run down Walmart real quick, grab that and come back and continue with the cooking there. Alright, so we get the rice and we get some milk. I think we need some more coconut milk. That one, the grace one. I'm gonna go wait a little bit, buy that later. I'm gonna go farm market now. Go farm market, go pick up some things. So I'm gonna go over there, so I get it. I need some leg quarters to test. So go and stay tuned. Alright, we get what we want from Walmart. I have to come back at Walmart later anyway. I need some oil for change the oil in this car right here. Oil and filter. And then I also gonna need some other little things. Grocery items, you know. Run out of grocery, guys. So I gotta just run, go back, make the rice real quick with some vegetables. I've been testing the rice and peas, guys. I don't really eat the rice and peas like that. I mostly quinoa I eat, but because I test different, you know, ingredients when it comes to the rice and peas. I just make it all the time, you know. Yeah. So give me a minute, I head back over. Finish up the pot of rice and peas, get some lunch to eat. It's late now, about 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna get some food to eat, and then I want to see you back out and just keep coming. And then this van there in the way. So because the van there in the way, you can't see. some people don't really use them discretion. You know, them a come down the aisle and them you are back out and you can't see there's a vehicle blocking you, and them still forward like you're supposed to see around the van. Sometimes it's kind of impossible. Yeah, you cannot drive with conscience. Eh? Conscience and call it. Yeah, man. So yeah, man, stay tuned. We'll head back to the house and get this thing done, cook up and eat some food and then move on to the rest of stuff. I'll change the oil and then change the disc here. A bunch of little things right down I need to do. I'll get them done. Stay tuned.